Kaithal, Haryana's hidden treasure. Forget the tourist traps. This isn't a place you'll find in glossy travel magazines or on the top of any must-visit lists. I'm talking about real places, places with soul, places where the essence of life is palpable in every corner, in every smile, in every grain of soil. Kaithal, nestled deep within the heartland of Haryana, India, is one of those places. It's a city that has managed to retain its charm and authenticity despite the rapid changes around it. It's a city whispering tales of a rich past, painted across a canvas of vibrant green fields and shimmering waters. The history here isn't just in books. It's in the air, in the stones, in the very fabric of the city. Kaithal is a sensory feast, a place where time seems to move a little slower, a little more deliberately. Here, the sunsets are more vivid, the air is fresher, and the sounds of nature are a constant companion. This isn't a place for the faint of heart, it's for those who seek adventure, who crave authenticity, who want to experience life in its rawest form. It's raw, it's real, and it doesn't apologize for it. The unpaved roads, the rustic village scenes, the weathered buildings, they all tell a story of resilience and tradition. You won't find five-star hotels here. You'll find something better. You'll find authenticity. You'll find homes that have stood the test of time, guest houses that offer a warm, personal touch, and villagers who welcome you with open arms. You'll find the beating heart of India, untainted and genuine. The smiles of the villagers, the vibrant celebrations, the bustling local markets, they all reflect the true spirit of Kaithal. The air here is thick with the scent of earth and life. It's a place where the connection to the land is strong, where farming isn't just a job but a way of life. It's a welcome change from the sterile, manufactured air of the modern world. Here you can truly disconnect and immerse yourself in the simplicity and beauty of rural life. This is a place where you can breathe deeply, where you can taste the history in the air, where you can feel the pulse of the land beneath your feet. It's a place that invites you to slow down, to appreciate the little things and to reconnect with the world around you. Kaithal is a city that lives and breathes agriculture. The land here is fertile, nourished by the lifeblood of the Yamuna River. Step outside the city limits and you're greeted by an emerald sea of rice paddies stretching as far as the eye can see. During harvest season, the landscape transforms into a breathtaking tapestry of gold. The air hums with activity as farmers, their faces etched with the wisdom of generations, gather their bounty. This is a scene of honest labor, of a deep connection between man and nature. It's a reminder of where our food comes from, a stark contrast to the sanitized aisles of supermarkets. Here you see the effort, the sweat, the dedication that goes into putting food on our tables. The Yamuna River, a sacred artery in Hindu mythology, snakes its way through Kaithal, infusing the land with life. It's a source of sustenance, irrigation, and spiritual solace. Locals gather on its banks to offer prayers, to bathe in its holy waters, to find a moment of peace. The river is more than just a water body, it's a symbol of life, purity and continuity. Generations have lived and died on its banks, their stories woven into the fabric of the river itself. To touch the Yamuna is to touch the soul of Kaithal. Smaller canals and tributaries branch out from the Yamuna, forming an intricate network of waterways that crisscross the region. These lifelines sustain the agriculture, the wildlife, and the very essence of Kaithal. Kaithal is a city painted in shades of green. Step outside the urban centre and you're greeted by a vibrant tapestry of flora. Towering trees line the roads, their branches reaching towards the sky like ancient arms. Fields of emerald green stretch out in every direction, a testament to the fertile land. Mango orchards laden with fruit during the summer months provide shade from the scorching sun. The air is thick with the sweet scent of blossoms, a sensory delight that lingers in the air long after you've left the orchard. Wildflowers dot the landscape, bursts of colour against the verdant backdrop. It's a reminder that beauty can be found in the most unexpected of places, if you just take the time to look. Section 5. The Rhythm of the Seasons. Weather in Kaithal. Kaithal experiences the full spectrum of India's climatic moods. Each season brings its own unique charm and challenges, painting the town in different hues and textures. Summers are scorching, the sun beating down with an intensity that can be both exhilarating and unforgiving. The days are long and the heat can be relentless, often driving people indoors to seek refuge from the blazing sun. The land seems to shimmer in the heat, the air thick and heavy. Heat waves rise from the ground, creating mirages that dance on the horizon, a testament to the sun's unyielding power. Monsoon season brings with it a welcome respite from the heat. The first drops of rain are greeted with joy and relief as the parched earth eagerly soaks up the moisture. The skies open up, unleashing torrents of rain that transform the landscape into a lush, verdant paradise. Fields that were once dry and cracked burst into life, covered in a blanket of green. The air is clean and fresh, charged with the scent of wet earth. The monsoon rejuvenates not just the land, but the spirits of the people, bringing a sense of renewal and hope. Winters are mild, with cool breezes and clear skies. The temperatures drop just enough to provide a pleasant contrast to the heat of summer, making it a comfortable time of year. It's the perfect time to explore the countryside, to soak up the sun's warmth without the oppressive heat of summer. The fields and forests are inviting and the cool air is invigorating. Each season paints Kaithal in a different light, revealing new facets of its beauty, from the intense heat of summer to the refreshing rains of the monsoon and the mild, pleasant winters. Kaithal's weather is a testament to the diverse and dynamic nature of India's climate. Section 6. Echoes of the past, historical significance. Kaithal is a city steeped in history, its streets whispering tales of ancient rulers and forgotten empires. The Baba Bhutnath temple, with its towering spire and intricate carvings, stands as a testament to the city's rich past. The Kali Mata Mandir, dedicated to the fearsome goddess Kali, is another significant religious site. Pilgrims from all over India flock to these temples, seeking blessings and a connection to their spiritual heritage. The city is dotted with ancient ruins, crumbling forts and forgotten shrines. These remnants of a bygone era offer a glimpse into Kaithal's glorious past, a time when kings ruled and empires clashed. To walk these streets is to walk through history itself. Section 7. A celebration of life, festivals and traditions. Kaithal comes alive during its festivals, each one a vibrant tapestry of culture and tradition. The air crackles with energy, the streets thronged with people dressed in their finest attire. The excitement is palpable as everyone comes together to celebrate. Music fills the air, the rhythmic beat of drums mingling with the melodic strains of traditional instruments. The sound is both invigorating and soothing, a perfect backdrop to the festivities. Holi, the festival of colours, is celebrated with particular fervour. People of all ages join in the fun, throwing vibrant powders and splashing coloured water. The streets transform into a kaleidoscope of colour as people drench each other in vibrant powders and coloured water. Laughter and joy echo through the streets, creating an atmosphere of pure happiness. It's a celebration of life, joy, and the triumph of good over evil. The sense of community and togetherness is overwhelming as everyone participates in the festivities. Diwali, the festival of lights, illuminates the city with a million flickering lamps. Homes and streets are adorned with beautiful decorations, creating a magical ambience. The sound of firecrackers fills the air and the aroma of sweets wafts from every home. It's a sensory delight with sights, sounds and smells that captivate the senses. It's a time for family, for feasting and for celebrating the victory of light over darkness. The joy of being with loved ones and sharing in the festivities is what makes Diwali truly special. Traditional dances and performances are a highlight of the festivals, showcasing the rich cultural heritage of Kaithal. The vibrant costumes and energetic movements captivate the audience. Food is an integral part of the celebrations, with stalls offering a variety of traditional dishes. The flavours and aromas are irresistible, drawing people to sample the culinary delights. Festivals in Kaithal are not just about rituals and traditions, they are about bringing people together, creating memories and celebrating the essence of life. The spirit of unity and joy is what makes these festivals truly unforgettable. Section 8. Rural Rhapsody. Experiencing Kaithal's charm. Forget your fancy resorts and pre-packaged tours. Kaithal is best experienced by immersing yourself in its rural life. Wake up at dawn to the sound of birdsong, help a farmer plough his field, share a meal with a local family, learn the art of making roti, the traditional Indian bread. Listen to the elders share stories of their ancestors. Witness the age-old traditions that have been passed down through generations. This is where you'll find the true heart of Kaithal. Take a dip in the cool waters of the Yamuna River. Wander through the bustling local markets, a riot of colours, sounds and smells. Let the rhythm of life in Kaithal wash over you, leaving you refreshed, rejuvenated and connected to something larger than yourself. Section 9. Kaithal beckons. An invitation to explore. Kaithal is a city that stays with you long after you've left. It's a place that gets under your skin, that whispers to your soul. It's a reminder of the beauty that exists in simplicity and authenticity and the connection between humans and the land. So come, explore the hidden treasures of Kaithal. Lose yourself in its vibrant culture, its breathtaking landscapes, its rich history. You might just find a part of yourself that you never knew existed.